What's up everybody, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to give you guys a short demonstration on how to properly put your C7 Corvette Grand Sport Z06 ZR1 up onto 4 jack stands. I'm going to show you guys the puck locations and where you're going to place your jack stands to ensure that your car safely stays on them. So let's get to it. So the first puck location is pretty much the same spot as the side vent where it ends. So the rear puck location is just a few inches before that black vent. So after you've jacked up the vehicle as high as it can go, you're going to put your first jack stand on this crossbar right here, right before it starts to curve upward. I would recommend doing the right side of the vehicle first, letting the jack down, and then moving over to the left side. But this is the location for your front jack stands. So when it comes to putting jack stands on the rear part of your car, you're going to use this last metal crossbar. Do not put it on the control arms, but right before the exhaust. And like I said before, do one side at a time and then move over to the other. It just makes it a whole lot less stressful. That's all I have for you guys today, but if you guys enjoyed the video, I would appreciate a thumbs up. And if you guys haven't subscribed yet, I would appreciate another subscriber. I'm on the chase now for 2,000, and I would love to get there by the end of the year. But as always, thank you guys for watching the video, and I will see you on the next one.